Welcome to this special presentation of the Drone Passport channel. Today, we are making a return visit to the Droided Pond! Look closely at this video. There is excavation equipment at the Droided Pond. Did Aunt Dee finally get rid of Uncle Mike, and they are trying to locate him? Or is it something else? Did they uncover the root cause of Mike's Avata 360 transmission issues? Let's discuss the transmission issues. On Sunday, Mike had a live stream flying the Avata 360 in this area. He was experiencing odd transmission issues as the signal strength became very low. What is the cause of this issue, he asked. Is it some kind of interference emanating from the Droided Pond? The issue, my friends, is not coming from the pond. The issue is tied to the fact that Mike was broadcasting live on YouTube. This broadcast created some interference in some odd locations which were close to home. When flying without the live broadcast, the issues disappeared. Lesson learned, do not fly the Avata 360 while conducting a live YouTube presentation. But you, my faithful viewer, are probably asking, what does this have to do with the excavation trucks? I will give you the answer. Nothing! But where is Mike? Did he finally meet his end in the dreaded pond? That is a great question. And the answer is...
No, silly. I'm right here. All right, I couldn't resist. Had to have a little fun with this, since I noticed all of those trucks at the dreaded pond today. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. If you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you. I truly appreciate your patronage to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to join and be a part of this. I would appreciate it. And if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. All right, this is Mike with the Drone Passport channel. I'm truly here in the flesh. Take care. Be careful. Bye for now.